In this video, I'll show you how to draw and send doodles in Instagram direct messages (DMs) using Instagram's newest drawing feature. Instagram has recently introduced a fun update that allows users to create and send custom drawings directly inside chat conversations. To use this feature, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version because it may not be available in older versions or on the web browser version of Instagram. To get started, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to the chat where you want to send a drawing. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap on the plus icon next to the message bar. If this feature is available on your account, you will see an option labeled Draw. Tap on it to open the drawing interface. Inside the drawing screen, you will find several useful tools. At the top, you can choose between different brush styles, such as pen, marker, or highlighter. On the left side, there is a slider that lets you adjust the size or thickness of your brush. At the bottom, you will see a color palette where you can select the color you want to use for your drawing. Choose your preferred brush style, adjust the size using the slider, pick a color from the palette, and start drawing directly on the screen. Once you are happy with your artwork, tap the send button. Your drawing will be instantly delivered in the chat, and the recipient can reply with their own drawing too. That's it. You now know how to create and send custom doodles in Instagram chats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.